Hello everyone, this is Dr.Dsc-Dev. I hope you're doing great, and today I will show you how to automatize things using Python. To start, we open the folder where I did put all the files that we will use in this tutorial. I will show you how to read some Excel files, transform them, process them. We open VS Code like we did in the last tutorial. We will start by going through this script. First, we will import pandas. It's a library in Python that will help us to read Excel files that like we see here. And we just provide the name of the file that we want to read. After this, I'm just printing the head of this data frame, because when we read the CSV file, we would put it in the data frame format. And then I'm printing the head of it, the two first rows. So let's do it. Python read.py. So we see we have read the first Excel file. Now we go to the next version of the script that will read, rename, and save the file. So now we read the file like we did before, and we specify another name in this string, and then we feed it to this method that we call on the data frame. After this, I'm just printing the data frame. Nothing fancy. So now let's try to run this script, and we will see that there will be a file that will be created here in this tree. So read underscore rename and save. So we will run this script. So you see we have created a file that has the name data0 processed. Now we'll go to the version where we try to read all the files, the data0, data1, data2. Then we just produce a file corresponding to each file, and we append to it processed, okay, like we did now. So we go to the next version of the script, and here we are just doing the same thing, but modifying index. So index 0, index 1, index 2, and doing the same thing. We are reading and saving the file. We are reading, renaming, and saving the file. So we are doing it 3 times. So we're repeating the same thing 3 times. So let's run this script. We are at Python read underscore save underscore many, and we run it. So we see that now we have read each time the file, renamed it, and saved it. So we produced three files. Okay. I will delete them now because we are going to see the automatized version of it. This is the smartest part, where we will harvest the power of the for loop to loop on the files and do the same task that is repeated. So we read the files and then we save them using another file name each time. So we'll do it 3 times with this for loop. For index in range 3, so we'll do it for 0, 1, and 2. Okay, and each time I'm printing just the head to show you that it's done 3 times, and that's it. Let's run this script. Python auto. So you see, in less than 5 lines of code, it's done. To clean the folder, I will just run this script where we remove the files having this name, and we are using the same time the for loop. So to run this, we write Python clean artifact, and it's done. That's it, guys. Hope you learned something new today. Take care of yourself and your family, and see you next time.